Good morning students. Hope you're all fine and safe at home. So in today's class we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, so the topic of the lesson is a snake charmer's story. A snake charmer, C-H-A-R-M-E-R. Okay, charmer's story. Have you all seen snake, students? Yes, so we would have definitely seen snake. So the snake charmer means it's nothing but it's a person, okay, an entertainer who entertains the people by playing music to make the snake move. So they are called as snake charmers. Okay, I'll repeat it. So snake charmer means an entertainer who entertains the people by playing music to make the snake move. So they are called as snake charmer. So in this lesson we are going to see a story about these snake charmers. Shall we see? Okay. So first we are going to see about the character. Okay. So this name is Aryanar. A-R-Y-A-N-A-T-H. Aryanar. Okay. So now let us see what this character is going to say. Can do something special that you can't do. Can do something special that you can't do. So this character, this person Arinath is saying that I can do special things. Okay, I can do special things that you people can't able to do those things. So I have a special character. Okay, this person Arinath says that I have a special qualities. Okay, special character. So that I can able to do that you people can't able to do. So let us see that what he can able to do. I can play the bean. Okay, I can play the bean. So what is the meaning of bean here? Yes. Look at the picture here. So this is called as bean. Okay, this is called as bean. So why this bean is used? So bean is nothing but it's a musical instrument. So with the help of the bean, we can able to move the snake. So this is the snake. Okay. So by playing the bean, we can able to move the snake. We can able to make the snake to move. So this person Arinath says that he can play the bean. So this is the special character. So this is the special quality that this person Arinath is having. So he says that I can able to do that you people can't able to do. So what's the special character he has? Yes, he has the ability to play the bean. Okay, to play the bean, the musical instrument. It can make the snake dance. I can make the snake dance. Here I refers to the person Aryanar. Okay, so I refers to the person Aryanar. So Aryanar says that he can make the snake dance. So what he can able to do? Yes, he can able to make the snake to dance. But how? Yes, he can able to play the music, the musical instrument bean. So through the bean, he can able to make the snake dance. Have you all seen snake dance? Okay, we would have watched in TV. Okay, so this person Arinath says that he can able to make the snake dance. I learned from my family members. So I learned from my family members. So how do he learn to play the bean? Yes, he has learned from his family members. Okay, so their ancestors, from his ancestors. So he learned from his family members. So we people are known as Kalbiliyas. Okay, Kalbiliyas. So we people are known as Kalbiliyas. 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 So the person who makes the snake move by playing the bean are called as Kalbiliyas. Okay, so their ancestors, their family members are called as Kalbiliyas. Okay, have you understood that what Arinath had said? So the first point he says that can do something special that you can't do. Okay, he says that I have an ability. Okay, so that you people can't able to do. And what is the ability that Arinath has? Yes, he can play the bean. So I have told bean is nothing but it's the musical instrument which we play to make the snake move or dance. So he can play the bean. I can make the snake dance. Okay, through by playing the beat, what he can able to do? He can make the snake to dance. I learned from my family members. So from whom he has learned? Yes, he has learned from his family members. So these people are known as Colbellias. So how they are called as? Yes, they are called as Colbellias. Okay, the people that means the snake charmers are called as Colbellias. Okay, so Kalbellias, Colbellias. Okay, so next we are going to see about another character, Roshan Naji. Okay, Roshan Naji, R-O-S-H-A-N, Roshan Naji, N-A-T-H-J-I. So who is Roshan Naji here? Yes, he is the grandfather of Aryanath. Okay, Aryanath is a boy. So Aryanath's grandfather is Roshan Naji. So let us see about his grandfather. My grandfather was famous. Okay, my grandfather. So what's the name of the grandfather here? Yes, Roshan Naji. So this Roshan Naji was very famous. Okay, was very famous. So Aryanath says that my grandfather was very famous. Easily catches many poisonous snakes. So there are many poisonous snakes. Okay, I'm right. So this person Roshan Naji can able to catch those poisonous snakes. So it is possible to catch the poisonous snakes, students? No, it's impossible. Only few people can able to catch the poisonous snake. So among them, Roshan Naji is one of the person that he can able to catch easily. Okay, he can able to catch those poisonous snake very easily. Tell stories about his past. So what happens? This Roshan Naji has told many stories of his past. To whom? Yes, to Aryanath. Okay, so this grandfather has told many stories about his past to Aryanath. So now we are going to see about one of the story that he has told. Okay, so Roshan Naji is nothing is the grandfather of Aryanath and he was very famous. So what he can able to do? Yes, he can able to catch the poisonous snake very easily and he tells stories about this past to the grandson Aryanath. So okay, are you ready to listen the story of the Roshan Naji? Shall we read? Okay. Dadaji remembers. Okay, D-A-J-I. Dadaji remembers. So who is called as Dadaji? Dadaji means the grandfather. Okay, so we call our grandfather as Dadaji. So Dadaji remembers, we have always been a sapress from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather. So sapress, S-A-P-E-R-A-S, sapress. So what is meant by sapress? Yes, sapress means it's nothing but the snake charmers. Okay, the snake charmers are called as the sapress. So what is meant by snake charmers, students? Yes, a person who plays the beat to make the snake move. They are called as snake charmers and those snake charmers are called as sapras. Okay, so we have always been a sapras from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather. Okay, their family, their ancestors are the sapras. So that's what they have said here. They this grandfather and great grandfather are the sapras. Snakes are our important part of life. So snakes are our important part of life. So what does he say? What does Aryanath say? Yes, he says that snakes are an important part of life. So snakes seem to be very important to them. Okay, they are very important in their life. We used to move village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo stakes. We used to move village to village. So where do they go? Yes, they go from one village to the another village. With what? Carrying our snakes. So what do they carry with them? Yes, they carry snakes. So they need something to carry the snake from one place to the another place. So they can't take it by their hand. So what they have used to carry the snakes? Yes, in bamboo basket. Okay, they have a basket, and how the basket has been made, and from what the basket has been made. Yes, it's made of bamboos. Okay, so those basket has been made of bamboo, and with the help of the bamboo basket, they keep the snake inside, and they carry the snake from one village to the another village. For what? Yes, to entertain the people. So to entertain people, they move from one village to the other village. We used to move village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo basket. Okay, now let us read the first 3 points. So we have always been a saffras from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather. Snakes are an important part of the life. We used to move village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo basket. Okay. So what is the first point? Yes, said to us. Yes, they are called as saffras. Okay. The saffras means nothing but the snake charmers. So their family, their ancestors, their grandfather and great grandfather has been the saffras. And the second point he has said is snakes are the important part of their life. Okay. So they see snake very important. And what is the third point? Yes, the third point is they move from one village to the other village with what? Yes, with snakes. Okay, so they carry the snakes with them. With what? Yes, they carry the help of the bamboo basket. So with the bamboo basket, they move from one village to the another village to entertain the people. And the next point, the crowd would gather us when we stop. So to whom they go? Yes, to visit the people. Okay, so what happens on seeing the snake charmer? The people would gather. Okay, the people would gather the snake charmer. So they would be very excited to see that what he is going to do with the snake and with the big. So the crowd would gather us when we stop. So when they go to a place, the crowd will gather around them. We will take our snakes from the basket. So after that what happens? Yes, we start to take the snake from the basket. People stay on same place even after the show. So if the show finishes, what happens? The people have to go. So but here what has been said, the people won't go even after the show ends. Okay, they remain at the same place itself. So we will take our snakes from the basket. People stay on same place even after the show. They knew that in our tin box there are many types of medicines for them. So what the people know? Yes, they know that the snake charmers will be having some medicines, okay? Because they go to many forests to catch the poisonous snake. So with the help of the snake, they can able to make the people entertain. So while they go there, what they will do? They will collect medicines from the forest because the normal people can't able to go to the forest. So this snake charmers, while catching the snakes, they will also collect the medicines from the forest. So this people, the other people knows that they will be having medicines. So where they have medicines? Yes, they will be having medicine in the tin box. Okay, so the snake charmers will be having medicines in the tin box, and the people know that. So they will remain at the same place itself to get the medicines from the snake charmer. So they knew that in a tin box there are many types of medicines. So not only one type, they will be having many types for many diseases. So for them, we made these from the forest. So where do they collect the medicines? Yes, just now I have told you. They collected them from the forest. Okay, so what's the first point? So the crowd would gather us when we stop. So on seeing the snake charmer, the crowd will gather around them. So what happens after the crowd comes? Yes, they will take the snake away from the basket. So inside the bamboo basket, they will be having the snake. So on seeing the crowd, after the crowd gathers, they will take the snake away from the bamboo basket. People stay on same place even after the show. Okay, so even after the show ends, the people remain at the same place itself. So what they remain at the same place? Yes, they know that in our tin box there are many types of medicines for them. So they know that the snake charmer will be having many types of medicines. To get the medicines, the people remain at the same place. We made these from the forest. So they collected the medicines from the forest. The next point, I learned all from my grandfather. So he says that I have learned. Okay, so I have learned many things about the snakes. From whom? Yes, from his grandfather. I felt nice to help people with medicine. So he feels happy. Okay, he feels happy to help the other people by giving medicine. So through the medicine, they can able to get cured. So he feels happy of himself. People give us some money or food grain in return. So this snake charmer will help people. So instead of that, they won't give money. Instead of that, they will give money or food grain. Food grain means the food that will be helpful for the to eat. Okay, so in return, what the people will give? Yes, they give money or the food grain to the snake charmers. In this way, we could manage our life. So this is their life. Okay, so by entertaining the people, they will get money or the food grain, or through giving the medicine, they will get many help from the people. So this is the life of the snake charmers. Okay, shall we recall from first? So first point, what we have seen, yes, they are sappers. Okay, so the snake charmers, that means the person. The Dadaji has been telling a story here. So he says that their family, their ancestors are the sapper. Sapper means the snake charmers. And the second point is, what is important in their life? Yes, the snakes are very important in their life. And the third point is, they move from one village to the another village. And what do they carry with them? Yes, they carry snakes with them. How do they carry? Yes, they will be having a bamboo basket. So inside the bamboo basket, they will put the snake and they will carry it from one village to the other village. And the fourth point is, so on seeing the snake charmer, what happens? The crowd would gather them. And the next point, so we'll take our snakes away from the basket. So after the crowd gathers, they will take the snakes from the bamboo basket. So the people won't go even after the show ends. Okay. And they knew that in our tin box there are many types of medicine. So why do they won't leave the place? Because they know that the snake charmers will be having many types of medicines. Yes, to get the medicine, they won't leave the place. So they remain in the same place itself. We made these from the forest. So the snake charmer says that we collect those medicines from the forest that other people can't able to go and get. I learned all from my grandfather. And the next point is, says that I learned many things about the snakes from my grandfather, and he feels very happy to help the other people by giving them medicine. So what do the people give in return? Yes, the people will give money or the food grain in return for their help. And this is the life of the snake charmer. Have you understood up to the students? The next point is, sometimes I was called to a place where someone had been bitten by a snake. So what he says, sometimes I was called to a place where someone had been bitten by a snake. So this snake charmer, okay, has been called by some other person. And for what he has been called? Yes, if a person has been bitten by a snake, this snake charmer has been called. So what he will do? From the mark of the bite, I try to find out which snake had bitten. So this snake charmer has the ability to find out the snake, that which snake has been bitten by seeing the mark. Okay, so by seeing the mark of the snake, he can able to identify that which kind of snake has been bitten. So this snake charmer has been called for that purpose. I would then give medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. So after seeing the mark, he can able to guess that which snake has been bitten. So for that, he will be giving medicine to the person. Okay, so I would then give medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. So the snake charmer says that I am not on the correct time to help them. I can't able to reach on correct time. So he will be delayed. Okay, he will be delayed to go to the place. So he says that I have not always been on time to help. Some snakes bite can even cause death on the spot. So what he says that, so there are many poisonous snakes. So if those poisonous snake bite us, what happens? We will dead. Okay, we will be dead on the spot itself. But most of the snakes are not poisonous, and it also says that there are many snakes which is not poisonous. So if the poisonous snake bite us, we will be dead on the spot itself. But there are many unpoisonous snakes. Okay, so most of the snakes are not poisonous. And the next point, I would help the farmer to catch the snakes. Okay, so the farmers will be working in the field. So in the field there will be many snakes. So if the farmers shout like snake, snake, so somebody help me that there is a snake in this field. So what happens? This snake charmer will go to the field and he will help the farmer to catch the snake. So catching snakes was his childhood hobby. So what was his childhood hobby? Yes, catching snakes. Okay, so to catch these snakes is his childhood hobby. So he will be very interested to catch these snakes. We help lot of people in many ways. So he can be able to help many people to catch the snakes and to give medicines for the person who has bitten the snake. So they will be helpful for the people in many ways. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove the poisonous teeth fangs. Okay, so who taught him to remove the poisonous snakes? Yes, his father. Okay, when he grows older, his father taught him how to remove the poisonous snake. Okay, so the snake will be having the poison. So his father taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth. That means fangs. So fangs is called as the poisonous teeth. And also how to close the tube of poison in snake's mouth. So in snake's mouth there will be a tube. So from the tube it can be able to spit the poison. Okay, so his father also taught him how to close the tube of the snake. Okay, how to close the tube of poison in snake's mouth. So that's all. Now let us recall first. Okay, so what he has said, he has been caught. Okay, I was called to place that someone had been bitten by a snake. This snake charmer has been called that if a person has been bitten by a snake, he has been called to that place. And what he will go and do, what he will do there? Yes, from the mark of the bite, I try to find out which snake had bitten. So what he can able to do? Yes, by seeing the mark of the snake's bite, he can able to identify which snake has been bitten. So after that, what he will do? Yes, I will give them medicine. So on seeing the mark, he will identify the snake and he will give the medicine to the person that who has been bitten by snake. But I have not always been on time to help. So what he also says, yes, he will be delayed to go to the place. He can't go on the correct time. So some snakes bites can even cause death on the spot. So there will be many poisonous snakes. So if those poisonous snakes bite us, what happened? We will be dead on the same spot itself. And he also says that there are snakes which is not poisonous. I will help the farmers to catch this snake. So this snake charmer will be helpful to farmers also, because while working in the field there will be snakes. So this snake charmer will go to the field and he will help the farmer to catch the snake. So catching snakes was his childhood hobby. So what was his hobby? Yes, catching snakes. With a lot of people in many ways. So this snake charmer says that we people will be helpful for the people in many ways. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove the poisonous teeth fangs and also how to close the tube of poisonous snake mouth. So who taught him to remove the poisonous teeth? Yes, his father taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth as well as how to close the tube of poison in snake's mouth. Okay students, so up to this half of the lesson is over. Okay students, and this is for your home assignment. Write the keywords, fill in the blanks, true or false in your classwork note. Okay, I'll repeat it. Write the keywords, fill in the blanks, true or false in your classwork note. And this is for your activity. Like snake charmers, which other people depend on other animals for their livelihood. Write in your own words. So the snake charmers depends on the snakes to earn. Okay, likewise, the other people's will also depend on the other animals for their livelihood. So you have to write it by your own words, and this is for your activity work. Okay, so hope you all understood. Hope you all enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Thank you everyone.